Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to add header and footer in Microsoft Word. Let us begin. In first step, navigate to Insert tab. From Header and Footer section, click on Header. Then we have different templates. You can customize your header, edit header, and here type what you want. Go to Home. You can change the font size, the color, make it bold. You can modify according to your need. This is for header. And here we have footer. Click on footer area. The same as header, type what you need. You can change the font, bold, and the color. To show all the pages, go to View, Multiple Pages. Here, as you can see, we have header for all the pages and footer as well. We have one more way and easiest way. Just go to the top of the page and double click. Here you can write as you need. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.